Buyers decide in the first 8 seconds that they walk into your home if they're going to buy your house. 8 seconds. Today's video is going to talk to you about how to make sure that those 8 seconds are positive. And we do that by easily cleaning, decluttering, and making the house ready to show. Hi, I'm Michelle Woollett, and I'm with listyourself.net. I've been a broker for 40 years, and I decided that if you've decided to sell your house for sale by owner, that I can help you make sure that you have all the knowledge and the tools that you need to do that successfully. So let's get started. The first thing is declutter. I mean everything. Every surface has to be cleaned off. Every shelf needs to be simplified out. Every closet needs to be cleared out. The rule is if you do not need what's here for the next 60 days, put it in a box and store it someplace else. Because what we want is we want the house to look as big as possible. Because clutter makes a house feel very small, even if there's tons of space there. And it's easy to overlook it yourself. My little trick is take a picture with your phone of that room. You would be surprised what you can see in a photo that you didn't even see with the naked eye. So that's my little tip. The next thing is to depersonalize. And I know that everybody has a thought on this. Some realtors say, don't worry about it. Some people say, worry about it. I think I've always been in the past, oh, don't worry about it, I tell the sellers. But you know what? I've had a change of heart. I really do think to depersonalize your house. Take the photos down of your family. Take the photos down of your diplomas, your children's artwork. You're going to be moving. So just pack it up safely, put it in a box someplace, because it might not make a difference. But what if that first person that walks in that 8 seconds and it did make a difference? Let them look at your house and think that they could live there and not who lives there now. So depersonalize it. The next thing is deep clean. I'm talking windows, bathrooms, floors, kitchens, your refrigerator. Take all of those items and make sure that they are clean and spick and span. Because when a house is clean, it looks like it's been maintained. Maintained means possibly an offer without a bunch of contingencies and inspections. So make sure that it is completely cleaned out. Windows, make them shine. Let more light into the house anyways. The next thing is to make any small repairs that are necessary. And I'm not talking about major ones because remember I said, this is supposed to be not an expensive thing, right? Just cleaning. Always, my rule of thumb is $1 in, $1.10 out. I'm not going to have you doing a bunch of repairs that are not going to bring you the money back. But make sure that if there's little things that need to be painted, leaky faucets, squeaky doors, burnt out light bulbs, huge, a light bulb, because somebody turns on a switch and it doesn't come on. They think of an electrical problem. They don't think of a burnt out light bulb. You've got to realize that buyer's mindset is to, and they might not be doing this consciously, subconsciously, they're trying to find everything wrong on your house because they want to get the price down. So that is one thing. Make sure all of your light bulbs are working. Switch plates and torn screens, fix them, wash all the light switches off, wash around the door handles. It's amazing how much you don't realize is there until you start doing a little bit of a spiffy. Lighten up the space. As far as lights, turn every single light on, including all the lamps, even in the daytime. Make sure all of your bulb temperatures are the same. Do you know what I mean by that? There are some that are white light and some that are like evening lights. Make sure that all of them match. If you've got recessed lighting, don't have them mismatched. Outside, curb appeal, huge. Make sure all the toys are put away. Make sure that the lawn is mowed. The hoses are wound up. The flower pots have live flowers in them, not dead. If you're like me, I usually have to plant my flowers twice a year because I kill them off once. So make sure that they're alive and they look healthy and happy in their little environment. The front door, make sure it's clean. There's no clutter. Make sure the paint doesn't look tired. If it does, paint the door. Oh, showing day. 20 minutes is what it takes to get ready for a showing. And that's to get the beds made, the bathrooms clean, toilet seat down, ceiling fans off, all lights on, straighten all the counters, just clear the trash out, put the dishes away, make the beds, tape the pets. And this is the biggest difference from selling for sale by owner than selling with a real estate agent. You're going to want to leave the house. So make sure the medicines, pick them up, put them away. We don't want them out. Guns, same thing, all in a gun safe. I don't want to see a gun laying out. And then once you have everything ready and you're walking out the door and you've taped your pets and the house smells great, relax. Leave the house, let the people look at your home, and then get back with them. Chances are they'll have a real estate agent with them because they might have a buyer's agent. And that's what's happening right now. So just let that ride and breathe and think positive thoughts because it's going to sell. Another thing you might want to do is leave out a copy of the seller's disclosures and a nice flyer that you've made. You can go, we'll talk about that in other videos, but making a nice flyer for your house is great. Okay. So making a positive and memorable experience for the buyer. Every single day, I'm adding little tips and tidbits on listityourself.net. You can go there. All the resources are there. There's articles, videos, handouts, anything that you need to sell your house yourself. I hope you'll be successful when you sell your house. If you have questions, send me a message. I'll answer them. And if you have comments, go ahead and do that too. So thanks so much for listening to me today. I really appreciate you. And go sell your house.